Hey guys, Bo's Garage here. Pardon my scratchy throat. It's not great. But I want to show you guys something. I'm quite ridiculously proud of this thing for 1,000 different reasons. But the biggest being, in 2015, my grandpa gave me a project. Say hello to the now 48-year-old Bobcat lawnmower. Let me give you the highlights here. The Bobcat lawnmower. According to my dad, my grandpa bought it brand new when he was a freshman in high school. My dad was born in '64. Huh, neat. The Bobcat was the first ever project I really tried to restore, and I'm going to get it back into its former fighting shape. And the funniest thing is, here's how, I don't like to toot my own horn, but I'm just that good with small engines. Sprayed just a bit of carb clean in the carb, and then sloshed around the gas tank just a little bit, and it fired up first time. It's been sitting for like 2 or 3 years. I wonder if I can get it to do it again. Find out, won't we? Okay, now that we got the angling done, try this again. Throttle up, throttle down, throttle wide open, throttle back, throttle and start. Let's see. Will it run? Needs a carb clean for sure. Needs a carb clean. Probably an oil change, but it's been sitting like this. I literally pulled this out of my truck bed not more than 10 minutes ago. That's crazy to me. It fires up. First one pull. That's crazy. One pull. A singular pull is all it took to fire up the Bobcat that's 48 years old, and I can guarantee the last thing I did before I parked it, before I moved in Ottawa, and then I moved again out here, was to sharpen the blades. So that thing's ready to rip after an oil change and maybe some fresh gas and a good carb cleaning. I mean, you take a look at it, get all close and personal with it. That's the carburetor, gas tank, pull. It's a little 4 horsepower Briggs & Stratton that my grandpa put on. If you blew up the old motor, I don't know if he blew it up, but I think he wore it completely down. In other words, he got his money's worth out of that motor. But this, all cast iron. It's heavy. And then here is the last service sticker I had put on it before I'd gotten it. I hate the Midwest. It's just raining whatever leaves or pollen this is. But the Bobcat is in Rock Island. And I'm gonna slowly clean it up, make it look nice again. I mean, a wide shot with it. Not a bad mower. I have to get a new cable holder, so that's why there's a pair of vice grips. Never underestimate the power of a mechanic who has free time. Anyways, my grandpa also built this custom ramp for the Bobcat. It's the exact width. To me, that's insane. Again, he drove an S10. I drive an S10. A year older than his was. And I'm one of my greatest triumphs, the Bobcat. Oh, and just for those of you who wonder what that says there, zoom in for you. One mean cat. So, just a little little update. We're gonna be doing some stuff to the Bobcat. We're gonna do stuff to the old legacy here. Plenty of cool stuff coming. I know it's been a minute since I posted. Stick with me, I promise. So for those of you who want to see small engine stuff, I present the Bobcat. The 48-year-old Bobcat lawnmower with a 30-year-old engine. Have a good day, everybody.